To fix the sponsored request limit on Cash App, it's essential to understand that the limit will automatically reset after a certain period, typically within 24 hours. During this time, review the app's terms of service and community guidelines to ensure you haven't violated any rules. If you're still having issues, consider utilizing other features, such as sending or requesting money, or using the messaging feature to stay engaged while waiting for the limit to reset. Alternatively, you can contact Cash App support directly by navigating to the Help and Support section within the app and submitting a message regarding the issue. Additionally, you can explore other ways to connect with others using the app. The reset period usually takes no more than 2 weeks, after which you should be able to resume using the sponsored request feature without any issues. By following these steps and being patient, you should be able to resolve the sponsored request limit issue on Cash App.